Hi, I'm Rizvi from Chennai. I did my undergraduation, that is mechanical engineering. So I don't know about. I was totally alien for design thing a year back. So when I came to know about product design, that is quite related to my engineering field, and that too it was so fun and working in a studio. So like I was impressed by that career. Then I was searching for a good medium to learn what is design first of all before getting through exams and all. So I was searching over internet, and a friend of mine suggest me that BRDS, there's an institute called BRDS in Ahmedabad, and they are doing good with providing training for this kind of exam. So I came to Ahmedabad and I joined BRDS, and later on I came to know like what is design and how to convey your ideas through sketches. And for that I don't know, I haven't done sketching before that. So I learned sketching after coming to BRDS. They give good training for NIDs and IIT seats. So I applied for both the exams and then joined BRDS, and they taught me like good sketching skills is very important to become a designer, because that is the only medium through which you will communicate your ideas. So if you don't communicate your ideas well, then you are not a good designer first of all. So first I thought of I wanted to learn sketching and those basic creativity skills, like how to relate emotions with colors and forms, shapes and everything. So here those faculties taught me like what is a form, what is a shape, and how it is related to everything, and how to observe things first of all. So you have to be a good observer to become a good designer. So how to observe things like in a different perspective, and how to bring it on the paper, and you will have your own idea, and how are you going to convey it through the paper. So that is what is very important to learn before giving these exams. So this is what this is what made me perform well in NID exams. Like the time will be very short, so in that short term you have to generate more ideas as possible, and in the same way you have to communicate that ideas through the paper. So for this you need a lot of practice to do that, and that practice I got it from BRDS. For interview and portfolio, the very important thing in studio test commonly is you have to handle the materials. So there will be different materials like thermocol, clay, wires, alpines and everything in front of you, and they will ask you to do something over with that. So without handling it before, you cannot just go blindly and make things out of scratch. So it needs a lot of trial and error, and you have to go through many practices. Like so in BRDS they give particular very specific training for material handling. So you'll be provided with all the materials, and they will ask you, as it will be like a mock test. So every arrangement will be like as you see in the studio test. So every material will be in front of you, and you can learn many things out of it. For example, like if thermocol, making a cube may sound easy, but doing it is not that easy. And another thing for portfolio, there are many people here like who will guide you through that, because in portfolio you should not put all the junk that you have and everything that you have. So you should impress it by the right work. Even if you have 20 pages of work, and that is enough to get you through NID. So in that 20 pages you should be just so perfect that yeah, this guy worth it. So that matters. So here they will teach you how to bring that specific talent for that, to arrange your best works of it. In BRDS you will meet a lot of people from all the states in India. So you will meet different kinds of people with but everyone will come with the mindset of design. So everyone will be having your same wavelength. So you'll meet those people, and you'll come to know what they have done and what you are lacking or what you must improve on. And those people will give you the exposure that you need. And that is what the important fact is. Like you should meet people and you should learn that from them. So that BRDS gives before getting into NID. Even in NID you meet different people, and you you should just learn from that. And another thing is, like, many people, I'm from South India, so there many people don't know, like, they have the only choice of engineering, MBBS, or MCom, BCom, like that. But there are world beyond that, and that's a very good world beyond that, and that is design, the world of design. So when you get into it, you will forget what is around you. So I recommend to those people, whoever are in 12th standard or whoever completed the engineering or BCom or whatever, they can also pursue design, and I recommend that BRDS is a good place to start your career.